NASA's James Webb Space Telescope and the Hubble Space Telescope were able to see the first ever in-space test for planetary defense, which included deliberately crashing a spaceship with a tiny asteroid. Webb and Hubble made their first joint views of the same celestial object with their study of NASA's double asteroid redirection test, DART, collision. It was on September 26, 2022, when DART knowingly collided with Dimorphos, the smaller of the two asteroids in the Didymos system. It was the first time the kinetic impact mitigation approach had been put to the test, in which a spaceship was used to deflect a non-threatening asteroid in order to alter its orbit. Defending against possible asteroid or comet risks is being tested with DART. There are important scientific concerns about the composition and history of our solar system that may be investigated. By integrating the capabilities of both observatories, making the coordinated Hubble and Webb studies more than merely an operational milestone for each observatory. If you like space videos, make sure to subscribe to Space IQ.